To change your Cash App account from personal to business, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Support from the menu. Next, choose something else and type Change Account Type in the search bar. Select the option that says Change Account Type and follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You will be asked to provide some basic business information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. This information is required to verify your business and comply with regulatory requirements. After submitting your business information, review and agree to the updated terms of service. This will complete the conversion process and your account will be changed to a business account. As a business account holder, you will have access to additional features, such as the ability to receive payments from customers and generate receipts. You will also be required to report your business income and expenses for tax purposes. It is essential to note that business accounts are subject to different fees and terms than personal accounts, so be sure to review the updated terms and conditions carefully. Additionally, if you have any existing transactions or payments in progress, they may be affected by the account change. To avoid any disruptions, it is recommended that you complete any pending transactions and ensure your account balance is up to date before initiating the account change. By following these steps, you can easily change your Cash App account from personal to business and start taking advantage of the additional features and benefits available to business account holders.